He did laundry. I can't believe it. Oh, look at the mom's pie. Good. Poor Mammy.
Poor Mammy.
Poor Mammy. Poor Mammy.
She never taught her that.
Check it out.
Made with real Ohio apples.
The Amish lady was here from Ohio, Mrs. Yoder, and she made us a pie. And look what else she made. A la vodka sauce. And Peppy gets to drink the rest of the vodka now. Isn't that amazing? Ta-da! Bye-bye.